Hey guys, and welcome back! Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit interesting. It's a little TikTok hack using your favorite press-on nails and some poly gel. So why don't we go ahead and jump right in. So first, I'm going to start off by showing you the press-on nails that Jofay Fashion sent me. So I know there's a big glare. I can't help that, but this is the first set, and I love these abstract nails. I think they're super cute. And then we got some shorties here for you guys. Now, these are the kind of nails that I would wear on the weekend if I really just didn't feel like doing my nails, but I didn't want to deal with long nails. I like shorties every once in a while. Then we've got these really cute ones here. They are like a very light ombre, but they've got like this cool gold accent. They've got a really nice gold accent. And then these are the ones that I'm using today. And please stop. Oh, there we go. Okay, so they have these like clear cutouts as well as the beautiful accent nails. These are the ones that I'm wearing today with the stars on them, and I just thought they were perfect. And the color also matched really well with the poly gel that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and open that up. I'll move these guys over. And this is a poly gel scent that Model Ones had sent me. It's basically just, you've got some pinks here. You've got your clear, you've got a black, it's more like a dark gray, and then you've got like a black glitter, and then a clear glitter. So today, what I'm going to be using is this clear glitter, and the darkest pink in this set, which is 015 and 017. So those are your colors. This kit is 010, 13, 14, 15, and then, I'm sorry, this is 16. So it goes from 13 to 18 in the set that we've got here. So if you are wondering and you're looking for kits, they've got a bunch of these like 6-set kits on Amazon. And so I'll have the link for that down below, as well as for the press-on nails. I'll have the links for those. So this kit comes, you get 6 poly gels, and then you get your dual forms. You guys know I don't use these, but I know a lot of people that do and love them. So that's really a preference thing. And then of course you get your brush, and you get like one of these nice, I think these lamps personally are nicer than like the brick shaped ones. I like these ones a lot for like the mini lamps, and you get a nail file as well. And of course your instructions in here. And these kits are awesome because they have different variations. This is very much like a neutral Nelly, easy beginner friendly kit, but they have different ranges of colors and color combinations that go from something that's soft and like gentle to more vibrant colors. I will put the link down below for this one, and underneath you can scroll through and see all the different colors that they have on Amazon. So again, great kit and great press-ons. Jofay has become one of my like favorite press-on nails since I started working with them. Honestly, I really like them. They're good quality, and like the designs don't rub off like with some like cheaper press-on nails. So essentially what I did, and I'll show you guys, I glued my press-on nail farther down on the nail than close, you know, like on the cuticle like you typically would. And then I just ombre'd the pink, and then I topped that off with the glitter poly gel, and this is what we're working with. And I think it's super cute. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue the nail tip on. So let me get that, and I like to use McCart's brush-on nail glue. I think brush-on glue is just a lot easier. I don't rough up the insides or anything like that. I have already prepped my nails. I am just gonna go ahead and wipe with a little bit of alcohol just to make sure I don't have anything on there. I did these earlier today and then saved this one for you guys. Oh, come on. We are nice and clean. So I'm just gonna pick up my nail, dip in here, and get a little bit more glue. I feel like there's not a lot on this brush for some reason. So go ahead and I don't put it like all the way up, because you gotta remember some of this is gonna be like sticking off of your finger, okay? There's a little fuzzy right there. Got him. I'm gonna set that down for a second, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue on the nail. Again, I'm only doing like the tip of my nail, so I'm not doing the whole nail. All right, I may go farther back with the press on than this, but I don't want to cover my entire nail bed with nail glue because it's just not necessary. Okay, let's go and put this on, and I'm just gonna hold it about here. I would say about 3/4, or I mean a quarter of the way down. So 3/4, no, a quarter of the way down, I hold it. And then I kind of take off the pressure, just making sure it's straight. My index finger is just one of those crooked nails that I have, and it's really annoying. I don't know why it's like on my right hand. I understand why it's kind of wonky because that's the hand I write with, so I've got like calluses on my fingers from that. But all right, she looks good, so I'm just gonna hold that down for 10 seconds and I'll be back. So we're gonna start with number 15. That's the pink one. This is not the right pink one. I lied. We're gonna start with number 14. That's the lighter pink one, number 14. And you really do not need a lot, like that much is enough, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put that up by the cuticle. Come on, get off, let me go. Okay, I squeezed out more because it wouldn't let go, and now it's on my skin, which is really, really bad. Okay, let's go ahead and get set up here. I'm using their slip solution. It came in the kit as well. And I just want to get this off of my skin really quick. So, just pushing it back. That was bad. You don't want to do that. You don't want uncured product getting on your skin. It's kind of hard when you are trying to like control where this goes. I know that's what the spatula is for, but that just doesn't do it for me. I definitely have way too much product. I know that much. But right now I'm just concentrating on bringing this to the cuticle and getting that nice and flush and worked in. And I kind of pat like in a sideways motion to get like all the sides covered first. Make sure it's not on your skin. And then I'm gonna take off a lot of this because it's way too much. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of pat it down to like get the sides covered where I want. And then I'm gonna take it down like this. And then I'm gonna just like kind of cut across and scoop it off. Way too much product. I don't know why I did another squirt. Okay, now that we've got enough product on here, the right amount, I'm going to just slowly start working this down. And as you thin it out, it's almost like translucent. And you can try to get your apex nice, but you don't have to really worry about it because remember, you're gonna put like another poly gel on top of this. Sorry, I'm really just trying to get this away from my skin. I put a little too much slip solution on and I kind of flooded my cuticle there, which made it very malleable, and it's wanting to go all over the place now, unfortunately. That was my mistake. We want it like flush to the cuticle, not over the cuticle. That's the key. So I'm just kind of working it down slightly. There's a little pearl right here that's already on the nail. I want to keep that uncovered. So I'm going to kind of start like moving this back a bit, as well as it's almost like I go back, I pull down, I go back, I pull down, because I don't want this to go too far down the nail. Like it's a very light ombre, if you will. I want the majority of the ombre to come from like the glitter polish that's gonna go down. So this is really more just like a cuticle bead that I'm lightly gonna flush the ends on, but I'm not gonna pull it like halfway down the nail. So we're pretty much there. I think I might have a little too much product. So I'm just gonna scrape a little bit more of that off. And then I'm gonna go with some alcohol this time. That might help me with it kind of going all over the place. So I got like a string over here. Oh no. All right, it's not looking bad actually as far as like the cuticle area goes. So again, I'm gonna kind of pop it down a little bit. And I'm gonna keep working at that until I'm happy with it, basically. Which is about now, I would say. It looks pretty good to me. I do want to take just this smidge that is on that pearl. I just want to take that off. Sorry. Oh yeah, looks pretty darn good. And then what I like to do, because this it does have like a self-leveling factor. There's polygel on my brush and I can't seem to get it off. It has sort of a self-leveling factor to it on its own. So I like to take my finger and just hold it upside down for a couple minutes before I cure it. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna cure this part, and then I'll do the glitter one on top. Okay, so now I'm basically gonna do the same thing with the glitter one, and this is just like a clear polygel with some iridescent glitters inside, and I'm just gonna put that on top of here. And I mean, like, look at that already, that color difference with the pink. Like, it's crazy. It looks so good. Okay, so let's put some of this on here. Okay, and that was 017, in case you were wondering. And I'm essentially just going to cover up all this pink first, and then I'll drag it down to kind of, I don't know, maybe about halfway. I don't want to cover up the star completely. I think the stars are actually really cute, so I don't want to cover them up. I wish they had more. That's the only thing that stinks, is I feel like they only give you enough for like a couple accent nails. Luckily, these two fingers are the same size, or else I wouldn't have been able to do 2 nails. And my middle finger is like bigger. I wanted to do the white with it, and then for the pinky, they didn't have any white ones, so I chose the pink one. But I wish that I had all of these white ones. Like, I wish they had a pinky size for me, because I think that would have looked better. But, you know, whatever, it is what it is. Alright, so I am just patting this around and basically going to do the same thing that I did with the pink. So I'm going to go ahead, get this in place, and then I'm going to cure it. I'll show you what it looks like before I file everything, and then the next time you'll see me is when it's filed and done. Alright, so this is what we're working with now. I'm going to go file her, clean her up, top coat, and then you will see how cute and how easy this really was. I'll be back. Alright guys, well here we go. This is the final look. I think it turned out really pretty. And honestly, it was so quick to do this. And there's like endless possibilities. Like, you could find so many cool designs on press-ons that are really hard to do by hand, or even like stamping or whatever, and you could use this technique and create like a really beautiful nail look, and you can mix and match. Oh my god, the possibilities are endless with this technique. So thank you so much, TikTok, for once again coming through with the TikTok nail hacks, because this, I think, is a really useful hack, and honestly could be done like 1,000 different ways. So I want to say thank you so much to Jofay Fashion for sending me some more of their press-on nails. I actually think they have some really gorgeous designs up on their Amazon page. That's where you can find them, and I will have it linked down below so you guys can go shopping. And of course, Model Ones with their polygel. So I'm going to pull out the 2 that I used. They were absolutely beautiful. And this is not the end of this kit. I will be probably playing with it in some future videos as well. So thanks to them for sending me that kit. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I do have to ask, if you are here, please do not forget to subscribe before you leave. It is free, and it really means a lot to me. There are a lot of you guys. I know I just rhymed. Sorry. There are a lot of you guys that watch my videos that have not subscribed yet, and it is so important to me, and it means a lot when you do. It helps me grow my channel, and it helps my videos get out there. And also, if you would like this video, that helps with the YouTube algorithm, and that means that YouTube is like pushing my video out for, you know, other people to see, which means a lot as well. Bringing new people into my channel is really, really important when I'm trying to grow. So don't forget, before you leave, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys!